It's a beautiful bag, and it needs to be seen by everyone. So I will. Hello, welcome back to my channel, Dash of Luxe. Here I talk about fashion, beauty, style, luxury, handbags, and just all the things that make us feel beautiful. So if that's the type of content that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. I guarantee you will have a good time here. Today's video is all about my top 5 summer handbags. I don't know about you, but I tend to reach for the same handbags over and over and over again. And what's the point of having all these handbags if I'm not using them? So I'm making a concerted effort to rotate these 5 bags into my wardrobe this summer. And I'm gonna do it. I promise. I'm gonna do it. You're gonna hold me accountable, okay? And I'll also be showing you which shoes that I'm going to pair with them. And I'm also making a concerted effort to wear more of my shoes because, once again, why do I have all these shoes and I'm not reaching for them? It's because I'm wearing the same shoes over and over again. So let's start with my most recent purchase, which is the Coach Tabby 26. And this is in the color buff. If you watched my previous video of the unboxing of this handbag, you'll know that I was on the fence about keeping it. But I decided that I'm gonna keep it. Even though the color isn't exactly what I wanted, it has grown on me. And I realized that I don't have a summer shoulder bag. So this is gonna be my summer shoulder bag. And I really like it because it's a mid-sized bag. I don't have a lot of mid-sized bags that I wear in the summertime. So this is gonna fulfill that purpose, okay? So the shoes that I'm gonna pair with this, for casual wear, I'll be wearing the matching Coach slides, and that's kind of a no-brainer. These are so comfortable, so I won't be able to help but reach for them. And then the heels that I can wear with these are, look at that. That is like an exact match. And these are by Vince Camuto. And I think this will look so cute with this handbag when I want to dress up. The next bag that I'm extremely excited to break out this summer is the tote bag by Marc Jacobs in the color Rose. I wore this a few times last summer and I got so many compliments on it. People were always asking about this bag. I think what people commented the most on was the color, and it's in a beautiful kind of light pink color. This is in a size small, and I feel like this is the perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's really good for an everyday handbag. It's really spacious and roomy. So it's like perfect for just a mid-sized bag. And I cannot wait to wear this summer. So the shoes that I'm excited to wear with this handbag are the Stuart Weitzman heels. And there are so many cute colors in this, but I think it would really go well with the pink color in here. I bought these a few years ago, and I think I've only worn them a couple times, so I don't know why. The heel is pretty high, so maybe that's the reason, but I'm definitely gonna break these out this summer and wear them more often, and I think they would look really cute with this handbag. The next handbag that I can't wait to wear is the Fendi Fendigraphy Nano, and it's a charm bag, so you can wear it like this on your wrist, or there's like a bunch of different ways to wear it. I did a video which I'll link in the description box, but every time I wear it, people always comment on it. And I think it's like a quiet showstopper, because like if you're wearing it crossbody or you're just holding it like this, you don't really see like the Fendi emblem. But when you see the Fendi emblem, it's this all gold. I mean, people like tend to stare. And this Fendi emblem just glistens in the sunshine. It's so beautiful. There's no reason why I shouldn't be wearing the bag, except that it's like teeny tiny. There's not much that you can fit in it, honestly, but It actually fits more than you think it does. So, and the shoes that I'll be wearing with this bag are the Sam Edelman sandals. Did you think I was gonna do all heels? Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna be wearing a bunch of heels this summer. So some of these are gonna be paired with sandals. These particular ones are gladiator like, and these you can't really tell, but these straps tie around your leg, and they're so pretty. They're so comfortable, and I think the gold in these shoes match the gold on the Fendi, and it'll look beautiful together. This next bag is really pretty, but I don't know why I don't use it as much, but that's gonna change. It is the Saint Laurent envelope clutch, and I use it with a bag insert. So this bag insert turns it into a crossbody handbag. So it's just this really pretty dark beige color, and you can also wear it as a wristlet if you want to. The wristlet is also detachable, which I take off when I wear it crossbody. So this Saint Laurent pattern is my favorite kind of pattern because it's made up of 3 different patterns: this chevron pattern, this diamond quilted, and then this like vertical, I can't remember the name of, it's like tri something, I don't know, but it's my favorite type. I think it's the more interesting type of stitching. The shoes that I'm going to pair it with are these Sam Edelman strappy sandals, and I think these will look really cute with it. It's kind of this bronze rose gold type leather on it. It looks like it's a 2-inch heel, so would be very comfortable. I love Sam Edelman shoes. They're extremely comfortable, so I think these would look cute together. Next handbag that I'll be bringing out of retirement and dusting the cobwebs off of is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 in the Damier Azure canvas. And when I first bought this years ago, I used to use it all the time, and then I put it away some years ago and only wear it every once in a while. But this is gonna be my larger handbag this summer. I love the Damier Azure print. This is the only handbag that I have in this pattern, and it looks beautiful in the summertime. So whenever I wear it, I just wear it on the crook of my arm like this, and it's usually fine, or I just carry it like this. But it's a beautiful bag, and it needs to be seen by everyone. So I will be rocking this bag summer 2024 and hopefully beyond. The shoes I'm gonna pair it with are the Sam Edelman sandals. As you can see, I own lots of Sam Edelman sandals, and that's because they're so comfortable. And I actually have another pair of these, and they are this color. And the reason why I haven't worn the blue ones is because I've been wearing the other ones so much. These two, the baby blue color and the color of the Damier Azure, I think look really pretty together. So this summer, I'm gonna rotate these into my wardrobe more often and wear them together. So those are the bags that I'll be wearing this summer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.